MG Motor India has introduced a new MG Reassure pre-owned car business in India. The new pre-owned or rather pre-loved car unit, as MG Motor like to call it, ensures all its cars receive the best residual value across all dealerships. The MG Reassure unit will put each car through 160 plus quality checks to ensure the best inspection standards. Each of them will also undergo a complete repair and maintenance program before being resold. All cars will also undergo a methodical evaluation process using technology to ensure the correct pricing at all times. MG Motor will allow its customers to sell and exchange their cars with new MG models without any obligation as well. MG Motor India claims that their vehicles currently demand the best resale values within the country. According to their reports from top car valuation engines, the residual value of an MG Hector after a year of usage is still in the 95 to 100% range. They also claim that Hector's resale value is currently dominating the segment. Customers looking at purchasing pre-owned MG cars are ensured to be offered only those models which have passed through all strict inspection checks and repairs. MG will also offer these customers with 3 years and unlimited kilometers warranty along with roadside assistance and 3 free services as well. This makes it the best customer-centric offer in the industry for any authorized vehicle reseller in the country. Gaurav Gupta, Chief Commercial Officer for MG Motor India, said, "Through the MG Reassure program, we want to create a platform extending transparency, speed, peace of mind and assurance of the best resale value of MG cars to our customers across India. This program also offers a unique opportunity to other patrons for purchasing quality pre-loved MG cars from our Reassure centers. The initiative will enhance customer retention and empower our patrons to stay within the MG family while enjoying flexible ownership." MG Motor India currently has 3 vehicles on sale in the country: the Hector Plus and the ZS EV. The brand is now working on introducing their premium Gloucester SUV in the coming months as well. The MG pre-owned car sales program MG Reassure ensures customers get the best resale value out of their MG vehicles across all dealerships in India, having the best resale value in the segment. MG Motor is working on keeping it that way with strict inspection and quality checks. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.